Notes future not showing on Instagram. Hello guys, in today's short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Notes future not showing easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. First thing, you have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. After you disable it, now go back and open the Play Store. Yes, open the Play Store like this, or the App Store if you have iOS. You can do the same thing. As you can see, this is the Play Store right now. Go to the search bar, search for Instagram, and click here on this update option. After you click on it, you will get the Notes feature on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you.